Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock without chicken. Start by prepping carrots, onions, celery, garlic, dried shiitake, kombu, and a handful of peppercorns. Toast the vegetables briefly to deepen flavor, then deglaze with a splash of soy or tamari. Simmer gently for at least 45 minutes, skimming foam and adjusting salt late. Strain, cool quickly, and store in the fridge or freezer for later use. Gather your umami players: dried shiitake mushrooms, kombu strip, soy or tamari, and optional miso paste. Rehydrate mushrooms briefly to release flavor while you sweat the chopped vegetables until golden and fragrant. Add kombu and water, then bring to just below a boil to avoid bitterness from the kelp. Simmer gently, add a spoon of miso near the end if you like, then taste and adjust salt for balanced richness. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life, plays step timers, and keeps recipes handy with simple voice commands, perfect for hands-free cooking. It fits any counter and sounds great for the price, plus you can ask for conversions or timers while you stir. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use a wide pot and maintain a low simmer to extract flavors without clouding the stock or developing bitterness. Skim surface foam and any floaters in the first 15 to 20 minutes, then continue a gentle simmer for at least 45 minutes up to 2 hours for deeper flavor. Strain through a fine mesh or cheesecloth, cool quickly in an ice bath, and portion into containers for fridge or freezer use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.